So in November, a couple of years ago, this fuckers thought it would be funny to blast some shit up. Didn't expect me round the corner, catch you bastards out.
Fucking massive explosion. Any idea who it was? Where'd it come from? Up the back? I'm going for a look. Look at the smoke. That was unreal. Somebody's completely blew something up. That knocked off Dan's TV in his house. Something to do with us lads here. Hey! Is that do with you lot?
Is that me?
Is this to do with you lot, that explosion?
Aye, we just set a big banger off, eh?
You set a big banger off.
Aye.
How far are you like? What's all this?
Let's set a big banger off.
I see you're setting a big banger off.
Aye.
Is that what it is it? You're all involved in that, young lads? Aye? Keeping up a quiet. I think you've set off a little bit more than a little banger like boys. Yeah, I think so. I think you're in for a rude awakening. You think that was clever, like? Are you part of this, are you? No, I think you are you? I think you are you? Because I want to, and I can. Just setting off a little banger, are you? Aye. He's absolutely stupid. He's absolutely stupid, boys. I'll get other edges. Sorry, did you hear this?
What's that?
The explosion just went off.
Aye.
Aye, well this is to do with this lot and this young lads. Look, they're running away.
I was sitting in my house and
Aye, they'll be coming for you, lads. They set off some explosion, something to do with this van.
yeah, man.
Something to do with this van, like.
There's something to do with these, man.
You absolutely blew a TV off a fucking what? Here, how far are you like? How far are you like?
X of shit this guy's got in his van.
Who are you?
I'm not caring, I'm asking you.
I'm
How far are
asking
you?
you, who are you?
Well, you're not going anyway. So you be as well answer some questions, because the cops are on their way. And nobody's got to let you to car park, so you're stuck here.
Right.
Aye, that's right. No, and see you later. Here, didn't let this guy leave, he's just trying to drive away after this. Aye, this guy here in the van, it was him that made the explosion. Aye, didn't let this guy leave in this van. Because
The boy in the van?
aye, it's him that set it off. Whoever he is, him and all this kids.
van.
Aye, this guy in the van. He's just loaded stuff in the back of the van. I don't care. It's like pyrotechnics shit. It's like pyrotechnics shit. You're not leaving, mate. No, fuck you.
Quarter Monday though. See ya. Would you believe he's got a pyrotechnics company? And he works at a gas site. Or, well, might not know.